Hey guys, welcome back. So real quick, this is a level 6 kit. These are alternating LED strips. These are the standard LED strips, not the double LEDs. And as you can see right now, they're in auto mode, and that way I can just make sure everything works like it's supposed to. We can make sure the pixel, the LEDs are working correctly. All the colors are working correctly, all the strips are working correctly, there's no wiring issues, grounding issues, shorting issues, things like that. And like you've seen in other videos, we test all these a couple different times, but this is the last time I'll test them, because when I'm done with this video, I'm going to go in and we're going to start boxing them up. They're going to go out tomorrow. This kit here goes for a 21 slingshot down in Daytona. This is for John, so this is his kit here. So really appreciate him and everybody else letting me be a part of you guys' projects and getting out there and showing these things off. But anyway, if you guys got any problems, any questions, anything like that, shoot me a message. Let me know how I can help you out, okay? Other than that, there'll be a link in the video description below to the website with prices and options. You guys can just go to the website and click on some drop-down menus and basically build your own kit with your own specifications or options, and it will give you a price for them. So if you're looking for something like that, give me a shout. I promise I'm a hell of a lot cheaper than most of your other vendors out there. And again, you know, I'm just a one-man band, right? I've been doing this for years, but one-man band. I don't have a 10,000 square foot shop. I don't have 5+ employees. I don't have $10,000 worth of you know, material sitting on a shelf I have to compensate for. So I can afford to give, you know, a lot better pricing. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video.